How'd y'all sleep?
Pretty good.
It's -1 outside.
It's -4. How'd you sleep?
Not good.
Here, we're doing a taste test.
I can't get it on my fork. Wait. Cheers.
Did you get a chocolate chip?
I got my hair on my mouth.
They're good. 10 him.
I agree.
I would recommend. We made chocolate chip ones. Oh my god, Vanessa. Those are so good. What is this? You see that? It's so good.
Whose body was found?
Yellows.
It said reported yellows. Wait, how is orange still? Oh, okay. I don't think John realizes that it's just us three.
Vote for Sharon.
It's Jonathan.
It's not me, I swear to God.
Actually, no, I feel like it's Vanessa.
Bro.
Oh my god! No! It was Vanessa.
We all voted one of each other. This is just great. Thank you.
I want to go fix the lights. Actually, wait. No. You.
That's what you would
No,
want us
you.
to do, Sharon.
I don't trust you.
You would want us to go fix the
No,
lights.
why would I want you to fix the lights?
So you can kill us in there. You.
What's weird is that after the second kill, after I was like, someone's dead, and she was like, oh. And I was like, no. How she said it, I was like,
I didn't think she was gonna be imposter 2 times in a row.
usually you're.
And I knew that I'm not the imposter, so that's why it had to be Sharon.
I never, whenever me and Sharon play like on FaceTime, I never get imposter. I'll go 4 hours of playing and never get imposter. The last night I got it like 4 times.
Vanessa's a little
I killed Levi.
We're going to Sonic. Oh god, it's a little cold. I don't think I should be in shorts.
You probably should not be.
You're gonna be like, hold on, yeah, that's all.
Ow, you up on my tit!
Jonathan, do you like the cold?
I love the cold.
It's so pretty. I know, I'm excited.
Cause the problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you. Cause the problem is I love you.
cute with your hair. Thank you. Thank you, Vanessa. Oh gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Well, oh my god! I done ditched mail. Delivery service for Tammy Burley.
That was fun.
Was that you?
No, that was the wind.
Hi, Sharon.
Bye, I love you.
Love you too.
Be careful. I almost fell.
Well, you can take this one cup and go.
Is there a
halfway out.
teaspoon one?
That's cool. That'd be half.
What are you wearing?
I need a teaspoon. Oh. I came to tell y'all guys about the good Lord.
He's like, I have all these commandments.
Wait,
I now have to.
come here, guitar! You know the hippies that are on the side of the roads? Is that a teaspoon? Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Is this a teaspoon now?
This would be a tablespoon.
Oh yeah, that's a teaspoon.
Yeah.
This teaspoon.
Or you could use the actual teaspoon if you like.
Yeah, we actually have that.
Well, I asked for it.
And these
Well,
are.
Levi's the one that's giving you all
Those
the
are
instructions.
tablespoons.
I need a 1/2 cup sausage. How many teaspoons are in a cup? 4 teaspoons in a 4-inch cup.
So that's 1/3. So if this is a quarter and a quarter, that would be
So I need
2 quarters, which
I
would be
need 2
1/2.
sticks.
What do you need?
Oh no, I need a 1/2 cup. So this stick.
This
Yeah,
whole
so
thing.
stick.
Yeah. One whole stick. One whole stick.
One
Oh,
steak,
God.
senor.
Gives me nightmares about dosage count.
You already took dosage couch?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go home. What does that mean? Noodles are done?
Tastes like a noodle.
Tastes like a noodle. Papa, it's the consistency of the noodle.
How's a noodle supposed to? It feels like a noodle.
Put it right here and grab your noodle.
Take your hand.
Matt said that if it sticks to the ceiling.
No, you don't do that with macaroni.
Oh.
This stage, all you have to do is make little balls.
Easy peasy.
Little ones, big ones, misshaped ones. We don't discriminate.
Okay. Oh my god.
And now we wait. We can coat them after we're done eating dinner.
Taste test.
Pretty
Pretty good. What's in there?
Chicken, macaroni, cheese, and onion crust.
Deliciousness. Taste test.
A1.
A1.
Gotta get a piece of chicken.
Taste test.
Okay. That's a big piece of chicken. I don't have a little piece of chicken.
That's not a piece of chicken, but go for it.
Honestly, it's right down.